What up, boys? Today we're going to talk about my latest project, which is this servo valve, aka proportional solenoid valve, aka electronic flow control valve, aka lots of other names. But I decided to build one. Let's talk about it. So this project came about because I needed to control the water flow into an engine water brake. So a water brake is basically like this thing you put on an engine to load it. And point is, water flows through it, but I need to control the amount of water flowing through the water brake so I control the load on the engine. So this thing is a ball valve that is electronically controlled. So basically I needed something, and I found online a lot of solenoid valves that were really cheap, but solenoid valves don't control the position, they just control, on, off, open, closed, full, or nothing. So I started looking into proportional solenoid valves, and those became really expensive. I found ones expensive, like $600 for industrial versions. So I was like, yo, that's crazy. I'm gonna build one for 35 bucks. And here it is. $10 ball valve from Home Depot or any hardware store, really. And then a $25 high torque RC servo. And some 3D printed parts. Pretty simple. Alright, I'm gonna hook it up to a little Arduino here, a little power supply, and let's watch it in action. You could also just hook this up to some RC receiver and transmitter and steer it if you want, but you're probably gonna be controlling it with some type of microcontroller. So let's check it out. Here we have a 6-volt power supply, Arduino, hooked up to the servo, and here you see it in action. Fully closed, fully open, fully closed, fully open. Here it is from the side. So again, it actually takes a lot of torque to turn this ball valve, so I use this very high torque servo. And as long as you give it enough current, it will run. You can't run it off the Arduino because it won't provide 1.5 amps. But with a separate power supply, it's very doable. Runs at a decent speed, but the idea is now you can electronically control the flow of water through this system. Check out my 3D printed parts, download it, build it, and send it. Later, boys.